Telling time. When you are telling time with an analog clock, you need to remember to look at the hour hand and the minute hand. An analog clock is a clock with a clock face where you have minute marks, hour hand, and a minute hand. Sometimes you may also have the seconds hand, which ticks with each second in a minute. When you are reading an analog clock, you need to make sure that you are reading clockwise, just like you would right here, in this direction. It says here, the hour hand shows the hour. The hour hand is the shorter hand on a clock face, which you see right here. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from an hour mark to the next hour mark. So wherever you see a 1 or a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 is what the hour would be. So right here you see the hour hand is on the 10, which means it is at the 10th hour, making it 10. Looking down here at these clocks, the first one says it is almost 3 o'clock. We can't say it is 3 o'clock yet because it is not quite there, but we can say it is almost 3 o'clock. The next one says it is between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Again, we can't say it's 9 o'clock yet because the hour hand is not quite there. It has to be right at the 9 or past the 9 for us to say it is 9 o'clock. So instead, because it's a little bit past the 8, we can say it is between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. The third one says it is a little after 5 o'clock, which is true because it is not right at the 5 and it's not quite at the 6 yet. But we can say it is a little after 5 o'clock. Looking over here, the minute hand shows the minutes, which is this longer hand right here. It says the minute hand is the longer hand on a clock face. Again, you're going to read this in a clockwise direction. Look at the hour hand. It is a little bit past the 1, but it is not at the 2, so we can't say it is 2 o'clock yet. We're going to look here. It says 1. Okay, so that's our first part. 1 is the hour. But what does the minute hand show? Just a reminder, to find the minutes, you can count by 5s when you hit each number. So 0 is at the 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so the minute hand is right here, so I'm going to stop there. It says it is about 25 minutes after 1 o'clock. It is about 1:25. The minute hand takes 1 minute to move from a minute mark to the next minute mark, which are these little dashes that you see in between the hour marks. Let's go ahead and solve this one together. Oops, let me zoom back out here. Okay. Looking at the clock, let's see where the hour is at. Make this bigger here for you guys to see. Okay. The hour is the shortest hand. So let's look at the hour. Oh, it's right here. Let's go this way and see. Oh, it's just at the 10. So we're going to make this 10. And our minute hand is right here. Don't get it confused with the second hand. That's the really, really, really skinny one. You're going to look at the thicker one. 0, 5, 10. Oh, and that's where it stops. So I'm going to put 10, 10 as my time. And that is how you read an analog clock.